Well, good morning, sir. We've received your parts back. Thank you very much. You can see the envelope, and the only thing I've done is to put an L and an R on, which will hopefully assist us in clarity on how it fits and on which side. So I'm going to attempt the left-hand fitting first. Here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is attach it to the original hanger, as you can see here. I'm using the supplied fasteners. Like so. It goes through there, that tightens up, screws onto there. I'll do this as quickly as I can. Right, I'm not going to fully tighten or torque these fasteners up because for the purposes of displaying that they fit, there is no need, of course. I'm also not going to disengage or reset the gear lever because that's also unnecessary. So the left one goes on here using the OEM fasteners. There we go, that's fitted absolutely fantastically, no problem there. Just for further clarity, I'm going to put an L on the plate there, which stands for left and indicates that the plate goes on the left hand side of the bike. Right, I'm now going to move around to the other side of the bike and fit the right hand one. Let's just pick up that extension. There we go. As you can see, I've already taken off the footpeg rest. Same thing applies. I'm going to attach the lowering plate to the rest in the first place, like so. This bike, by the way, is a 2018 Suzuki V-Strom 1000. Right, all that is required now is that the brake-like spring is reattached to the brake lever and that the master cylinder actuating piston is reassembled there, and that will be the job completed. So on this side you can see the right hand plate fitted to the right hand side of the bike as it should be, and you've already seen the video of the one on the left being fitted. I hope that really clarifies how they're fitted and that they do indeed